Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about software development cycle, and in today's class we will look into the different phases of software development lifecycle. Now before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, especially if you are watching this on YouTube. For complete course and practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. In the previous class, we learned about what is a life cycle, and we also drew an analogy of home construction life cycle and understood different phases required. Formally, a software development life cycle has 6 distinct phases. The first phase is planning. In the planning phase, as the name suggests, we plan out things like how much money we have, what's the timeline, how many people we will need, all of that part. In the next phase, analysis, and then we have design. Based on the design, we develop. Some people also refer this as implementation or construction. And then we have testing. What I mean by testing is we want to make sure that the software that we have built is as per the design or as per the original plan. And then finally, we put it into use. We start using the software, and software gets into maintenance phase, where you may have some small changes here and there. If there are big changes, then you want to maybe start a new life cycle, start a new phase where you go through the same cycle once again. It's pretty straightforward. In next class, we will look into the planning phase. And in fact, next few classes, we are going to look into each phase in detail. That's all in this class. If you have any question, post it in the community on my.codemode.us. Also take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.